Hello everybody, this is Wiki Project 1, my submission for CS50W's Project 1. So I'll go through a quick overview of what the goal was, which was to design a Wikipedia-like online encyclopedia. And I'll go through each of the specification points quickly and give a little demonstration of them. So the first one was the entry page, where you write a title in the URL, and then basically either it's found and you get the page, or you're redirected to a unknown page or a page not found. So for example, I do wiki cat, get sent to the cat, and if I do one that doesn't exist yet, say wiki frog error 404 page not found, I can either choose the create page or go home. So there we are. That's the entry page. The index page, so update the index page, which is the home page, so such that merely listing the names of the pages, instead of that we have a clickable link, which is all here. So press dog is an animal, yes. I can go home here, or I can go to Python, and it all works as intended. The next one was search. So there's 3 subtasks here, but basic goal was to have the user type a query into the box and come up with results. If there's one that matches exactly, so CSS, it matches exactly, you'll go to the page. Say we do Python, you'll go to Python. Note that you can do lowercase and all match to uppercase. If there is an incomplete search, then you can find ones that match. So there was TE, you can find teeth or testosterone, and things like that. And if there's no results, so something random, no results. Awesome. New page. So create a new page. You should be able to create a new page by clicking the link on the sidebar, as so. You enter the title of the page. There's a text area. You should be able to enter Markdown content. You should be able to save. If there's a page that's already been created of that name, then we'll get an error message, or at least an error page. Otherwise, the page should be saved. So if I do frog, title in Markdown, frog is an animal trait, and you'll see frog is listed. If we try to create, say, cat again, cat create, you should get a error page of a cat. Very funny. And then we can go to view page if we wanted to, or we can go home. Fine. Next one is edit page. Yes, so editing the page, where the user should be able to click a link, take to a page where the user can edit the entries, markdown content, so the raw content in the file, and should follow these 3 subtasks. So I'll show that quickly. We go to frog again. We can edit. A frog is an animal. It is generally green. You can see save, or in fact, if we made some random mistakes, oops, you can press cancel and go back to the page. Fantastic. And then finally, random page. Clicking a random page in a sidebar should take a user to random encyclopedia entry, and it works just as intended. So yeah, that's Wiki. That's my submission for it. Thanks for watching. All the code will be in the description below. Yeah, thanks.